Hey, Doc Martinez here, and today I will be making a mint green old fashioned. I gathered inspiration from a post by liquor.com. I'll make sure to put a link down below. Now the mint green old fashioned is a perfect drink for St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day observes the death of St. Patrick, the patron saint of Ireland. The holiday has evolved into a celebration of Irish culture with parades, music, dancing, drinking, and a whole lot of green. We all know St. Patrick's Day is celebrated annually on March 17th. But the first St. Patrick's Day parade took place not in Ireland, but in America on March 17, 1601 in Florida. Every March 17th, the United States becomes an emerald country for a day. America wears green clothes and drinks green beer. Cocktail quiz time. Now green is associated with St. Patrick's Day, but which was the traditional color associated with Ireland's patron saint prior to 1798's Irish Rebellion? Gotta stay tuned to find out. Now this mint green old fashioned is my official entry into the Drunken Shamrock 2022 challenge. Now this drink is very different from the Irish old fashioned slammer I got to enjoy with my daughters. If you haven't seen that video, I'll post the link here. So let's make this mint green old fashioned cocktail a great cocktail to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. Into a mixing cup, we're going to add 1 Bordeaux maraschino cherry, a quarter wheel of orange, half a teaspoon of mint jelly, 1 dash of Fee Brothers mint bitters, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, 1 mint sprig, and a splash of water, a 1/4 ounce of Monin mint syrup. We're then going to muddle this mixture carefully, crushing into a paste-like consistency. Then we'll pour 2 ounces of Kentucky Owl St. Patrick Edition into the mixing glass. We'll also add a 1/4 tablespoon of edible green glitter, add ice, and stir well until chilled. We're going to strain this into a rock glass over a fresh, large ice. And then we're going to garnish with a mint sprig. Cocktail quiz time! Green is associated with St. Patrick's Day, but which was the traditional color associated with Ireland's patron saint prior to 1798 Irish Rebellion? Answer: blue was most associated with St. Patrick. So here it is, the mint green old fashioned. A beautiful drink and perfect for St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Very refreshing. So thank you for continuing with me on my journey down the old-fashioned rabbit hole. And if you like this video, make sure to check out one of the others. Cheers.